Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about static method. So static method is nothing but a method which we write within the class with a static modifier. For example, void call. Okay, this is the method. Okay, so just if you place a static modifier here, so this becomes a static method. So now just say int a equals to some name, some 1 2 3 4. Sorry, it is a string variable, no? So 1 2 3 4 and str in the string name equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 hello something. This is a string variable. Okay, now these are the local variables of static method. So static method is nothing but a method which with a static modifier is nothing but static method. So how to call the static method in static method? So there is a small logic. You no need to create any object for static method in for to call the static method, because the main method is executed during dot class file loading, and the static method is also executed during dot class file loading. So to call the static method in static, you need to you no need to create any object, so you can directly call. For example, um, uh, sys or you to sys out of uh, yeah, okay, yeah, and plus plus and name, something like this. Now this is a static method, right? So to print the static method, to print the static method, just you need to call the just you need to call like the call close. Sorry, this is a method, right? So right now the method has been called. Just place a call and you see 1 2 3 4 and hello, because we just called the method name in the class. This is already a static method, so we are just calling the method. This is a static method, we are calling the static method in the static method. The main method is a static method, right? So we are just calling the static method in the static method without any file name. For example, if you try to call the static method in instance method, for example, void instance instance m something, just this is an instance method. Okay, so what if you want to call the instance method? Now if you want to execute this thing, so how to do it? You need to have a class name, right? So nothing, test. Simple logic for static method is static methods are loaded during dot class file loading. So test dot call, test dot cal, right? Now this method has been called. Now if you if you print, nothing will be printed because we didn't call this instance method, no? So to call the instance method, what we need to do, we need to create a test object. Test t equals to new test, right? Now t dot instance method. Now just see what happens, that will be printed. Right, now to call the static method in instance method, you need to call with the dot class name, class file name, and the method name. And to call the instance method in the static method, you need to create an object and call the method with your object name. So this is a static method, guys. Thank you for watching.